As it's Ivy, and this is part 2 of our Do Now deals for scanning. Go look at part 1 because it is tons of laundry deals that's stacking. You do not want to miss them, okay? So let's get to the first deal over here. And guys, it is actually going to be on this Fabuloso right here. It's $4.50, and we have a $1 coupon, making that $3.50. Stack up on your Fabuloso. That's the best one. But this one is smell awesome right here. Your Mr. Cleans right here are $4, and when we look at the in an app, it's $4. They gave us 2 coupons. You have a $1 manufacturer, and then to spend 30, save 10 on your next shopping trip. You can use that, okay? Next, guys, while we were on this aisle, they gave us the Airwick Mist back, the diffuser. They're $13. They gave us a $6 high valued coupon. Was awesome. Now, there's a couple of deals you can do to make some money off of them, and we'll get to those. Okay, guys, our next deal is going to be right here. We're on the dollar aisle right here. You pick up that Sherman Essentials 1 roll. It is $1. Look at that, 50-cent coupon, making that 1 roll 50 cents. Make sure you grab it, guys. That's an awesome deal. We're going to come right over here to the Secret Outlast. It's $4.50. When we scan it, we see it's $4.50 in the app. They have a number of coupons. The one you want to concentrate in is the one for $3 off of 2, okay? But remember, manufacturer, Dollar General coupon, these will stack. And Dove gave us an awesome deal off on our Dove deodorant. It is $5. When we look at it, it's $5. And then look, guys, $2 off of 5. So you get $2. Save $5 when you buy 2. I'm getting tongue tied. That is an awesome deal and a great 5 off of 25 deal, okay? And guys, we're gonna go to the Swab deodorant right here. They're $3. We have 2 coupons, 2 $1 coupons. So that is a chance to grab some low price deodorant for $2 each, okay? We're gonna go right down here to all of the toothpaste deals because we did load up on some more good oral care deals. I want you guys to go to the Colgate Optic White, and that's only because I want you to see a coupon. They're $8, right? But look at this. We have 3 coupons that came up. $3 off of 1, $7 off of 3, and a $2 off of 1. You need to scan to find out what these. Now open it up. $3. That's the new one that popped up because the 2 and the 7 was here the other day, yesterday. You want to look for the lowest. So far we see $5.15. So we know that the $5.15 Colgate will pick up on a $3 coupon, right? And then you want to go back. Sorry, guys. You want to go to the $2 one and see which one do this $2 coupon attach to. We know it attaches to the one for $3.25. Go all the way down in case it attached to one on a dollar aisle, okay? Then you want to hit the $7 one. 7 off 3. You want to see what it attached to. $3.25, which is an awesome deal, okay? You're going to pick up three of those $3 toothpastes for $9.75 and get $7 off of 3 and pay $2.75 for each one after you use your coupon, okay? So it is awesome deals on the oral care. Hey guys, if you like me and you be a prepper pantries, which I have one, you're gonna pick up, is that the Rexall anti-itch cream right there? Let's pick that up. Scan it. $2.95. They gave you a $1 off coupon, making that $1.95. That is awesome to add to your prepper emergency bag, guys. And if you want to see that video, let me know because I did a whole video on it. I wanted to show you guys is this the cortisone cream right here is anti-itch cream, also $3.25. Cashback deals are awesome on these type of deals right here. If you brand loyal and you don't want to use the generic one, then you can do the cortisone cream 10. It's $3.25. I don't have the cash back like I had earlier. It's gone. But scan yours because you have a cash back on there, okay? Let me see if I scan a higher one. Will it pop up? No. So that one loaded and I guess it's gone away now. But do those cash backs. Always this deal is back. The Always liners are $5.50. Always products, period. Okay, $5.50. Just scan. You have a number of coupons that you want to use. Now, if you're going to only buy one pack, you use the $1.25. Then if you're going to use 2 packs plus they deal 2 for $10, then you want to hit the $2 coupon and get them 2 for $8 or $4 each. That's an awesome deal. Dove has a $2 off coupon also, guys. It's $2, right? Now, if you can find this one, which I haven't found in a long time, that Dove glowing for $5.40, that makes out for an awesome deal, okay? Now, Ivory Soap has a deal. Ivory Soap is $7. When I scan, it's $7. We have a couple of coupons, 50 cents off one, spend 30, save 10, and then you have a buy 2, get 1 free deal, okay? So we could do that math right quick. You're going to buy 2, get 1 free, so you're going to be $14 plus another $7, $21. Take that 7 off because that's free. Take that 7 off because that's free. Then take that 50 cents off. Leave your $13.50. Divide that by 2, and you're paying $6.75 for. And they're originally $7 each, but you have 3. Okay. And then you also have the body wash. That's $3 for the swab. $3. You have a $1 coupon, making it $2. Hey guys, let's get to some food deals now. Don't do like I did because I hit too many coupons. Okay. $5.85 for the cheap General Mills. We have a number 50 cents off. You get 50 cents off one, $1 off 2, and 50 cents off another one. Okay, so this is the thing. They're 2 for $6. Stack those coupons however you need to use them. Now, I could have I had $1, it went away. 2 for $6, $1 off 2, make them 2 for $5 or 50 cents each. Now, if you have those $1 off each one, that's even better deal. But I do have the coupons, the paper, so that's the one I would use. Okay, best deals possible. That's what you want to do. We have the bags of multi-meal cereal, which I usually donate them to like the daycares at $3.75. They give you a $1 off coupon, and they're on sale 2 for $6, making them 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. We're going to do the Nature Valleys. It's $3.95. Shows it's $3.95. We have a ton of coupons, okay? You have a $1.25 off one, another $1.25 off one, 75 cents off one, 50 cents off 2, and then you have a deal going on 2 for $6. Now, of course, you're going to use these $1.25 coupons first, which takes $2.50 off, leaving you paying $4.50 for each one, or $2.25 each. You can opt for that with my any day deals. And the Miracle Whip is $5.50. You have a $1 coupon, making it $4.50. Another great deal. We're going to come over here to the Mountain Dew. Right here, at $8.25. You have a couple of coupons you can use, guys. You want to do the spend 14, save 4, or the spend 14, save 2. Of course, you do not want to do the lowest coupon. And they are 3 for $15, so you can make them out for 3 for $11. Turn over here to the food, because whatever is food deals, I like to show them to you immediately. They don't move the ice cream aisle down, so it's getting hot. The waffles are 2 for $5. Here it is right here. 2 for $5. That's $3.50. 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. Awesome deal. This deal is back where you will get the Lipton tea, $2.50. They're 2 for $4. Right here is $2.50. Coupon, spend 10, save 3. Hey guys, in this I want to show you something that my boys, I told you are buying. These are $3. We have a $1.50 off 2 coupon. Awesome coupon if you can find it, and they have cleared them out. I searched the entire thing. But another deal over here, and it's going to be on the toaster strudels, which we don't get a deal on those a lot. It's $4, and you get a $1 off 2 coupon. So they are $3.50 each. Guys, what I just found. I found the popcorn shrimp. They're $4. You get the $1 off coupon, okay? Grab those if you can, because they go quick. I know my kids love those. Okay, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share out this coupon account. Be looking out for my any day deals and some awesome Family Dollar coupon.